India received a significant defense proposal from Russia's state-owned manufacturer Uralvagonzavod, a localized version of the T-14 Armata main battle tank (MBT), tailored specifically for India's next-generation main battle tank (NGMBT) program. This offer comes under India's Make-I procurement category, allowing up to 70% government funding toward prototype development and licensed domestic manufacturing. Originally, Russia had ambitious plans to equip its forces with 2,300 T-14 Armata tanks between 2015 and 2020. However, budgetary constraints and technical setbacks delayed production until it was ultimately halted around 2025. Despite these issues, Russia is now seeking to revive the platform through a strategic partnership with India, proposing adaptations to suit Indian operational conditions, including challenging terrain like Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Notably, Russia has expressed willingness to replace the standard Russian 12N360 engine with India's homegrown Datran 1500 HP powerplant, potentially reducing unit costs significantly, from an estimated $3.40 to $4.80 million down by roughly $1.14 million per tank through local production. The T-14 Armata is Russia's most advanced MBT, built on the versatile Armata Universal Combat Platform. It features a revolutionary unmanned turret design, with the crew protected inside a heavily armored capsule in the hull. Armed with a 125mm smoothbore main gun capable of firing both conventional rounds and guided missiles, the tank is designed for future upgrades, including a potential 152mm cannon. Advanced features such as millimeter-wave AESA radar, the Afghanet active protection system, and integrated Malachit reactive armor offer cutting-edge battlefield survivability. Weighing approximately 55 tons, the vehicle boasts a top speed between 75 and 80 km per hour and operational range near 500 km, with electronics and software to enhance situational awareness and threat response. The tank is engineered to operate effectively across extreme climatic and altitude variations. Despite its technological promise, the T-14 program has struggled. Initial Russian procurement was severely limited, with fewer than 20 units delivered as of early 2024, and many encountered reliability issues, especially related to the 12N360 engine and complex electronic systems. The high unit cost, reportedly between $5 and $7 million for Russia, curtailed widespread adoption. While tested in Syria and seen during Russian military exercises, the tank has not yet participated in confirmed frontline combat operations. Recent Russian statements indicate limited service use alongside continued reliance on upgraded T-72, T-80, and T-90 tanks. Russia's offer to India may partly stem from a need to revive the Armata project by injecting foreign investment and leveraging India's manufacturing capabilities. However, co-development carries risks. India could inherit ongoing technical problems and will likely face lengthy development timelines. Past experiences with indigenous tank projects and foreign collaborations, such as delays in the Arjun tank and ammunition integration issues, suggest that such partnerships demand sustained funding and adaptation efforts. India has periodically evaluated the T-14 since at least 2015, considering it as part of the Future Ready Combat Vehicle initiative. Growing concerns over the aging T-72 Ajay fleet, limitations of the Arjun series, and advancements in Chinese and Pakistani armored forces have rekindled interest in a modernized MBT. Indian defense research organizations have developed compatible engines and subsystems, and the Datran 1500 HP engine has undergone rigorous testing aligned with NATO standards. Collaborative production of a modified T-14 could enhance India's domestic defense industrial base while avoiding the full burden of designing a new tank from scratch. India and Russia's long-standing defense partnership provides a foundation for this proposal. The T-90 Bhishma tank is already manufactured under license in India, with over 83% of components produced domestically, including the powertrain. Joint projects also include the Su-30 MKI fighter and the BrahMos missile. Uralvagonzavod envisions even deeper Indian involvement for the Armata, from fire control systems to electronic warfare suites and armor. Concurrent offers from Russia include joint development of the Su-57E stealth fighter, licensed Amur 1650 submarine production, and collaboration on advanced air defense systems like the S-500 Prometi. Accepting the T-14 proposal carries geopolitical ramifications. The United States has warned India about potential sanctions under COTSA, countering America's adversaries through Sanctions Act, for major Russian arms purchases. Such sanctions could jeopardize U.S.-India defense cooperation, including technology transfers and interoperability efforts vital for regional security. U.S. policymakers continue urging India to diversify its military suppliers and deepen ties with Western defense partners. Although the T-14 project falls under India's Make in India initiative with significant local content, its Russian origins remain a complicating factor. U.S. authorities have indicated that even localized production of Russian systems may not exempt India from sanctions if Russian involvement remains substantial. In summary, Russia's T-14 Armata localization offer represents both an opportunity and a challenge for India's armored modernization ambitions. It offers access to cutting-edge technology and a path to advanced domestic production, yet comes with technical uncertainties and complex geopolitical considerations. The decision will weigh India's defense requirements, industrial capabilities, and strategic partnerships amid evolving global defense dynamics.